Hi, this is Abul Kalam. Today we are going to see two or three questions today. The first question is 5 by 2 artists make 5 by 2 paintings using 5 by 2 canvases in 5 by 2 days. Okay. The next question is there are 6561 balls, one of them is heavy. Okay, let us do the first question. Okay, the first question is if 5 by 2 artists they make 5 by 2 paintings using 5 by 2 canvases in 5 by 2 days, then how many artists are required to make 25 paintings using 25 canvases in 25 days? This is time and work question, or even you can take it as puzzle question. Okay, in time and work, what the formula we use is m1 d1 divided by w1 equal to m2 d2 by w2. M for man, that is artist, d for days, w for paintings into canvases. So 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 equal to x into 25 by 25 into 25. So x value will be 25. Very simple, right? Second question. In a certain office, 1/3 of the workers are women, half of the women are got married, and 1/3 of the women have children, and 3/4 of the men are married, and 2/3 of the married men have children. What part of the workers are without children? So take the LCM of all the numbers. Let us take the numbers as 36. So when the women, they have given 1/3 of 36, 12 women are there. So men will be 2/3. 2/3 of 36 is 24. Now I have made a tabular column. Okay, tabular column with 4 cases. Unmarried men is equal to that is married men equal to 3/4 of 18. That is 18. 24 is 18. Men have children equal to 2/3 of 18, that is 12. Then the same way married woman equal to half of 12 equal to 6. Once you solve this, you will get the final answer as fraction equal to 11 by 18. Okay, just go through the slide again. The next question. There are 6561 balls, out of them one is heavy. Find the minimum number of times the ball have to be weighted for finding out the heavy ball. Answer is 8. Why 8? Because 3 power 8. 3 power 8 is 6561. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Kindly do remember.